Scientists in Mexico pulling back the curtain on what they believe are aliens and put two of those corpses on display. Take a look. These small mummified specimens were unveiled at Mexico's first ever UFO hearing yesterday. Yeah, it looks like E.T. You're right. The alleged alien corpses were found in Peru. They're believed to be 700 to 1800 years old. They only had 3 fingers and elongated heads. X-rays of the aliens were also shown, and experts say one of the bodies has eggs inside of it. Maybe we could have alien babies.
A lot going on in Peru.
Yeah.
Right, so is this real?
In this video, we will dive into the astonishing revelation that has left scientists baffled and conspiracy theorists buzzing. A 1,000-year-old alien corpse hidden deep within the heart of Mexico. This isn't your average extraterrestrial encounter. It's an enigma that defies explanation. Stick around until the end, because you won't believe your eyes when you see the evidence that has just been uncovered. Our story commences with the enigmatic journalist and UFO scientist Jaime Maussan. In a captivating presentation before Mexican politicians at the Mexican Congress, he unveiled 2 alleged alien bodies encased in glass. These baffling beings, estimated to be 1,000 years old, were found not in a UFO wreckage, but fossilized in the depths of a diatom moss mine. We should also point out that Maussan testified under oath during this pivotal moment. Furthermore, the samples underwent rigorous analysis at the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM, employing radiocarbon dating to ascertain their age.
Back in the Mexican parliament, someone's just produced images of alien corpses in the Mexican parliament and said they're alien corpses. So I guess my question for you, Neil, is do you believe that there are loads of aliens out there? Do you believe that governments perhaps know more than we do? And should we be fearful about this?
Yeah, so first of all, those are not images of alien corpses in Mexico. Those are presented as actual alien mummified aliens from like 1,000 years ago. So here's what you do. When we went to the moon, we brought moon rocks back, and NASA allowed scientists of the world to analyze those rocks. It shared samples with everyone rather than give it to only one lab. So if those are actual mummified aliens found in Mexico or wherever they were, I overheard the press conference, they said they carbon-14 dated it. It has 30% overlap DNA with humans. If those are aliens, that would be amazing. But in science, you need verification from independent sources. So what they should do, as we know from mummies, there's still a soft tissue in the mummies. If he carbon-14 dated that, I don't know if he did it on the soft tissue or on the bones, but my point is, you share the data with other laboratories. And when you have agreement among what is measured, then you can talk about it as a discovery.
Naturally, this revelation sparked intense controversy and skepticism. It's worth mentioning that this isn't the first time Maussan has made such claims. His previous assertions were debunked. Given Maussan's history, it's only natural for some to question the authenticity of this latest revelation. However, this time, Maussan was accompanied by individuals whose credentials add credibility to the proceedings, such as former US pilot Ryan Graves and Avi Loeb, a distinguished astrophysics professor at Harvard University.
Is this in Mexico this week? Congressional hearings focused on UAP sightings, much like we had in the U.S. Congress back in July. And this right here sort of stole the show. This is according to a prominent Mexican UFO journalist and researcher. These are 2 non-human corpses, both at least 1,000 years old, discovered in Peru back in 2017 and then fossilized. Now look, there is a lot of skepticism here about whether these are real, whether this is legitimate. We ourselves can't verify any of this, so we are skeptical about what we're seeing here at News Nation when it comes to the origins of these things in this video. Nonetheless, these displays were a part of a legitimate Mexican congressional hearing. Ryan Graves, the former Navy pilot who actually testified before the U.S. Congress back in July, he was also there sharing his story and his experiences with UAPs, Kelly. So, I think a lot of work still having to go into whether or not these things are real. Mexico's Congress debating whether they're going to be enhancing a law that would essentially make Mexico the first country on earth to say explicitly that they believe in extraterrestrial life. So a lot happening just south of our border there.
The presence of these respected experts injected an air of legitimacy into this entire ordeal. Nonetheless, skepticism still continues to linger in the background. What sets this discovery apart is the meticulous DNA analysis that took place. Maussan disclosed that nearly a third of the DNA extracted from these beings is unknown, and crucially, their genetic makeup does not align with our terrestrial evolution. Moreover, X-rays of the aliens were presented during the hearing, and experts assert that one of the bodies contained eggs. These findings deepen the enigma surrounding this discovery. Unsurprisingly, the public's response to this revelation has been passionate and polarized. Social media platforms have been overwhelmed with a myriad of opinions, ranging from awe to skepticism. It's essential to note that the Mexican Congress has not officially taken a stance on this matter, underlining the significance of a transparent dialogue surrounding the existence of extraterrestrial life. The internet erupted with debates, memes, and discussions as people tried to make sense of this revelation. Some saw it as proof of alien life, while others dismissed it as a hoax. The revelation unfolds against the backdrop of a burgeoning global interest in UFOs, unidentified flying objects, and UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena. Notably, in the United States, there have been a lot of hearings and investigations into these unexplained phenomena. The world appears to be on the brink of a profound shift in our understanding of the cosmos, marked by a quest to discern what lies beyond our own planet. As the debate rages on, let's delve into some intriguing theories and speculations that have emerged in the wake of this discovery. While these ideas may be speculative, they offer fascinating food for thought. One theory suggests that these beings, if indeed extraterrestrial, could be remnants of an ancient alien civilization that visited Earth in the distant past. This hypothesis raises profound questions about the possibility of forgotten encounters with advanced extraterrestrial cultures. Another thought-provoking theory speculates that these entities could be the result of genetic experimentation conducted by an advanced, non-human civilization. This concept leads us to ponder the ethical and moral implications of tampering with the fundamental building blocks of life. These discoveries have also raised a lot of conspiracy theories. Some suggest that governments have known about these beings for decades and have kept their existence hidden. Others claim that these aliens are not extraterrestrial at all, but rather a result of secret government experiments gone awry. It's essential to approach these theories with a critical mind and rely on scientific evidence. While these theories remain speculative, they emphasize the profound impact this discovery may have on our understanding of humanity's place in the universe. The notion of ancient alien encounters has long fascinated researchers and enthusiasts alike. While the idea remains speculative, some proponents argue that there may be evidence scattered throughout human history that hints at interactions with extraterrestrial beings. From ancient cave paintings to intricate carvings on ancient temples, there are claims that these depictions depict beings not of this world. Could these discoveries be related to the alleged 1,000-year-old alien corpses? It's a question that continues to intrigue scholars. The discovery of these mysterious beings also raises profound ethical questions. If they are indeed the result of genetic experimentation, as some theories suggest, what are the ethical boundaries of such experiments? How should we, as a species, navigate the potential consequences of tampering with life on such a fundamental level? These are conversations that scientists, ethicists, and policymakers will need to engage in as we grapple with the implications of this discovery. In the pursuit of truth, scientific inquiry remains our most potent tool. However, the path ahead is laden with challenges. To unravel the mystery of these 1,000-year-old alien corpses, researchers must address various critical questions. Firstly, rigorous peer-reviewed scientific studies must be conducted to verify the authenticity of the DNA analysis. This process demands meticulous scrutiny and replication to establish the credibility of the results. Secondly, the provenance of these beings must be meticulously traced. Investigating their origins, including the precise location in Cusco, Peru, where they were discovered, could yield valuable insights. Lastly, collaboration between international scientific institutions is paramount. A united effort to examine and understand these beings can provide a comprehensive perspective, transcending national boundaries. As we embark on this journey of discovery, we must remain vigilant, scientific, and open-minded. The pursuit of truth requires unwavering dedication and a commitment to unraveling the mysteries that surround us. The scientific community is now focused on obtaining more evidence to support this extraordinary claim. Archaeological teams are preparing expeditions to the Diatom Moss mine in Cusco, Peru, to search for additional remains or artifacts that may shed further light on these beings. In parallel, geneticists are conducting extensive DNA sequencing to unravel the mysteries of the unknown genetic material. This meticulous work is expected to take several years, but the potential insights could reshape our understanding of life itself. The revelation of these 1,000-year-old alien corpses also prompts us to reconsider the future of space exploration. If there is evidence of extraterrestrial life, even in our distant past, what does this mean for our efforts to explore the cosmos? This discovery may serve as a catalyst for renewed investment in space exploration, as governments and private entities seek to unlock the secrets of the universe and potentially make contact with other intelligent beings. The tantalizing prospect of exploring new frontiers and understanding our place in the universe beckons us towards the stars. The discovery of these 1,000-year-old alien corpses in Mexico is a testament to human curiosity and the boundless mysteries of the universe. While questions and skepticism abound, one thing is certain: we are living in an era where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly expanding. The journey to unraveling the truth is ongoing, and who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead.